Some say it's love, peace, or freedom, but the truth is, happiness is different for everyone. So, I could say I've seen lots of people, they're happy, they live in their best life. Why is it so? Because with me living in town or in big city, I always thought that happiness is about material things. I always wanted material things to make myself happy. I would be the happiest person on earth if I get this phone, which is wrong. There's people that lives in the farms, people that are in the villages, people that are in the townships, but those people are happy. Why? Here is the answer to that. It's because they're not relying on material things. Happiness is really in within, and they're happy with what they have. So happiness is a connection of kindness, gratitude, and appreciation. If we start appreciating the small things that we have while working on what we want, then we'll be happy. Material things, they can't keep us happy, not for long. You know, we can't rely on material things in this world. So happiness, in my opinion, happiness is within you. How you feel about you. You are in charge of your happiness. No one can make you happy. Not even material things can make you happy. I started appreciating the small things every day, in everyday space of my life. I make sure I pick up those happy moments. You know, there's something that will make you happy, and I make sure that even if anything bad it happens, I take that moment and I treasure it. That moment will make my day. That's just a bit tiny smile that I got for the day. That's it. I overlook all the bad things that happens, all the bad energy. Now it's gone. I replace it with that moment. Don't say a small thing can make you happy. A small thing. This is what I've learned, and I would really love it for people to start appreciating what they have. Where I am, I'm truly really grateful for life in general. To my new subscribers, welcome to the page, welcome to the space. Thank you guys. Thank you for the love. I see you. I appreciate you. So ask yourself, what does happiness mean to you? Comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.